Hello, everybody. Today, let's discuss the hottest topic of this decade, artificial intelligence. And as per the ethos of our channel, we will focus on urogynecology. First, let's make it very simple to understand what is AI or artificial intelligence. So basically, there should be a problem which needs a solution. Then you should have computer science, which can be integrated to a robust database to find out a solution for that problem. So if you have a problem, let's say, which method is best to treat cystocele? This is the problem. Now, if we have a large database, we can ask the computer by filling up the details like a 42-year-old lady with 2 vaginal deliveries, coolie by occupation, stage 2 cystocele without uterine prolapse or SUI, exactly what surgery is best. And maybe if we feed this data to some surgical assistance unit, it will guide us at the time of surgery too, to how to do each and every step successfully without complications. So ultimately, we need 3 things: a problem which requires a solution, a robust database, and computer science to interpret it. Actually, it's not very complicated to understand, as all of you have worked with AI sometime or the other. The simplest examples are Google, Netflix, and YouTube. When you start typing your question or a problem in the Google search bar, you have seen it, how it starts completing your sentence and shows the results based on its database as per your location, previous searches, previously asked related questions, and that all happens because of its huge database. In Netflix, it tends to show you the same genre of movies that you have seen before, or what others are seeing in your geographical location. Because of its database, the computer analyzes quickly, sets algorithms in place, and before even you realize, the choices are in front of you. YouTube is another example. If, say, you are regularly watching Urogynecology for beginners, your upcoming list will have videos from the same channel or the related ones. Even if you don't know, OMG, 1 Minute Gynecology is our channel. The database has it in its algorithm as it is created by the same person. Even if you didn't know it, the artificial intelligence knows it. And if you are a regular watcher of Urogynecology for beginners, it must be showing OMG 1 Minute Gynecology to you in the suggestion list. And if you have yet not subscribed to this new venture of ours, I request you to please do it now. Getting back to the topic of artificial intelligence in urogynecology. This topic was inspired by some articles which have been published in this very year in the month of February and August. So this article was published in Frontiers in February 2023, which talks about current developments in artificial intelligence from obstetrics and gynecology to urogynecology. And the other one, which was published in IUJ just last month in August 2023 as a clinical opinion paper, describes the role of artificial intelligence in the future of urogynecology. It highlights 6 areas in urogynecology where AI-related work will be of utmost value. Correct interpretation of urodynamics, which you all will agree with me is a complicated thing to do individually. For surgeries, may it be choosing the best surgery for our patient or guiding us in avoiding the bladder, ureter, and rectal related injuries. Drug selection based on individual patient profile. Choosing the best physiotherapy options and its follow-up. Cost benefit analysis and patient education are the other areas where AI can be of huge help in urogynecology. And the one thing which I really liked about this paper, in material and methods section, they have clearly stated that this entire article was built with the help of artificial intelligence. So as you can understand, AI will also help you to write papers and publish your work. Now comes the burning and the worrisome question. When artificial intelligence can do everything, choose the best test, get the best test done, interpret the results, plan the investigations, and treat it, and the robots, which are actually meant to do surgeries, will do the surgeries, then will AI or artificial intelligence replace the doctors one day? Maybe the intellectual and mechanical part of it can be done efficiently by computers, algorithms, and robots. But where will it get the human touch from? So, invest in developing your social skills and the human touch. Because, as the experts predict, though AI can't replace doctors, but doctors without AI for sure will be replaced by doctors without AI very soon. A paper published in 2020 in IUJ on innovative use of artificial intelligence in urogynecology summarizes it beautifully. Artificial intelligence will likely occupy a pivotal role in future of female pelvic medicine and reconstructive surgery and will no doubt evolve rapidly. Care providers will have to learn to introduce these new tools into practice while maintaining a human, caring approach to patient care. To summarize it all, urogynecology has a definitive need for AI owing to its complex nature of problems we have to deal with. And also, we have great potential to develop AI by creating our own database. As in this very channel, we have more than 22,000 subscribers, and I propose to you all that if you can just submit 2 cases of prolapse per year, imagine at the end of 1 year, we'll have a database of 44 to 50,000 approximately, which will be a very, very good start for all of us, not only in our geographical location, but at the level of the world, at the global platform. So let's do it. If any of you is interested, I think all of you must get motivated after this and let me know in the comment box below. I will send a detailed plan, a data sheet, how to fill it. Just 2 patients, it can be patient what you have operated or students who have followed up, just 2 cases of prolapse in 1 year period. That will be of great help. Let me know in the comment box below so that I can share a detailed database sheet with all of you. And after listening to all this, if your mind is not too much tired and if you have just 1 minute to spare, I would request you to go to our new channel, which is 1 Minute Gynecology, OMG, and just watch one video. And if you like it, please subscribe the channel too. Thank you.